Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. I had a chance the other day to go across to StarCar to take a look at some vehicles that they happen to be building. These are unmarked detective type vehicles that they're putting together. They're part of the Jeep family, so you get a chance to see two different variants within the Jeep family. The equipment is the same in each of these vehicles, despite their age and despite the difference in the models. But essentially what you have in the grille area are red and blue microns. Then up in the front windscreen area, behind the rear view mirror, you happen to have a set of Spitfire ions from Whelen Engineering. Behind the grille, from a siren amplification perspective, we have a Code 3 slimline siren speaker. Both vehicles actually happen to have this. And both vehicles are also fitted with the Beta siren, also from Whelen as well. On the rear of the vehicle, in the hatch area, and on the side rear view windows, left and right side, you happen to have Whelen ions. Now the vehicles have been heavily tinted. So yes, I know some of you will go, well, the light output's not that great. But again, these are detective type vehicles. Also, sound off headlight flashers have been used, and sound off taillight flashers as well have been used in the rear. So from here, let's go across to StarCar right now and see what they're up to. Well, there you have it. A look at two very interesting builds, one even getting a little shampoo and set, I might add, from the gang at StarCar. Big shout out to them. Thanks very much. But more importantly, thanks to you and all of you who watch SIRENNET Television every week and every day. We really do appreciate it. And don't forget to give us a like, a shout out, or a comment in the comment section. I'm Stuart. You've been watching SIRENNET TV. Have a great day.